For their ideal resources, financial backers don't have to rely on a single market. There are several competing markets selling comparable goods as more stages and exchanges entice merchants. Indeed, there are many places where people can trade digital tokens, even in fields like crypto. The resources on one trade should, in an ideal world, cost the same as those on various stages. Nevertheless, there might occasionally be very tiny cost variations, which cause exchange swapping. There is this computer software called a cryptocurrency arbitrage bot that naturally exchanges resources to take advantage of price differences. A cryptocurrency bot automates transactions in accordance with a set of predetermined rules. These bots may either be purchased from bot development companies or developed using open-source software. It might be difficult to spot the ideal open door for trading in such a fundamentally uncertain environment. In any event, picture a scenario where we inform you that you can automate this. Life could end up being simpler, isn't that right? A cryptocurrency arbitrage bot might be useful in this situation. The main functions of a cryptocurrency bot are market observation, data analysis, and exchange execution. Now let's look at how these bots function and carry out their tasks. What is the process of a crypto arbitrage bot? Bots are automated initiatives that develop a sense of pride when they do boring tasks. To carry out and complete orders in consideration of established boundaries, they are adjusted with precise computations. This also applies to the cryptocurrency arbitrage bot. It permits us to understand how digital currency trades are handled by arbitrage bots. When interacting with a transaction, the bots use a programming interface or an application programming connection point. It can connect to trade and spot orders thanks to the programming interface. It is necessary to create a programming interface key, which the bot then uses as confirmation. Additionally, the programming interface provides read and write access to the request book, account specifics, and other information related to the crypto arbitrage. Benefits of using a crypto trading bot. If you have doubts about whether to use it yourself or not, these benefits will definitely clear them. A cryptocurrency arbitrage bot helps you trade more effectively and purposefully. A cryptocurrency arbitrage bot takes the emotion out of trading because all transactions are carried out in accordance with the guidelines that you have established. Cost mistakes can affect many different industries and businesses at once. This reimburses you for a large portion of the money you would have otherwise spent personally monitoring the business sectors. Crypto machines can analyze information more skillfully to spot patterns that can hint at future economic conditions. This includes reviewing market data, predicting risks, and other things. When carried out physically, this is yet another exceedingly arduous task. Are there any drawbacks to arbitrage trading? When compared to risky behaviors like influence exchanging or stripping shorts, arbitrage exchanging may appear to be a safe exchanging strategy. Nevertheless, this does not imply that exchange trading is risk-free. The following 5 obstacles prevent cryptocurrency arbitrage trading. Exchanges that include open doors take time. The key to a successful arbitrage is speed. Numerous arbitrage dealers all around the world have advanced programming systems ready to make a profit. If an exchange trader doesn't act soon enough, there's a good chance that many others have already profited from the price miscalculation. New dealers can expect to compete fiercely for outstanding arbitrage opportunities. Probability of slippage. Slippage refers to a significant departure from the estimated cost you required to exchange a resource. This anomaly will typically occur on small, illiquid deals or with coins with low cap values. There is a chance that the final transaction price will render an exchange broker's exchange arrangement invalid if they are unable to finish their exchanges quickly on a chosen trade. Strange trade rates. Dealers on spatial exchanges ought to include fiat trading rates in their standard compensation. Even if cryptocurrency prices may appear to be rising in some places, keep in mind the cost of converting the host nation's fiat currency into your preferred currency. Exchange costs. Each transaction has a different fee for buying, selling, and transferring digital currency and legal tender. Before implementing a system, ex-arbitrage change brokers should carefully focus on the expenditure plans for their preferred phases. Charge recommendations. Arbitrage trading is subject to temporary capital addition fees in various countries. Whether or if an arbitrage broker is successful, they must disclose their benefits to burden experts. Before participating in currency exchange, you must double-check the evaluation rate for crypto placing in your location. Cryptocurrency trading bots are becoming more and more popular since they enable you to trade effectively and take advantage of new market opportunities as they present themselves. However, before you decide to use one, it's important to be aware of its benefits and drawbacks. If you have the time and resources, you can also think about creating your bot. Alternatively, you may just download one using the code of a designer. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.